read a passage from a biology textbook. You will have 50 seconds to read the passage. Begin reading now. Now, listen to part of a lecture in a biology class.
Okay, so scientists have observed this phenomenon with quite a few different kinds of birds. For example, you see this with the bird, a bright red bird, commonly known as the cardinal. Cardinals live in trees and other vegetation on the edge of the forest. And during their breeding season, they kind of claim a specific area of the forest as their own. That's their territory, and the food there belongs to them. And they try to keep other cardinals away from this area. Okay, now each cardinal has a unique call or song that it sings. And if a cardinal hears one of these songs, it knows that another cardinal is nearby. And researchers have observed that when a cardinal hears an unfamiliar song, the song of another cardinal that it's never heard before, it'll become aggressive. It'll threaten the other cardinal, try to chase it away out of its area of the forest. But what's interesting is, when a cardinal hears a familiar song, the song of another cardinal that's established a territory nearby in the same part of the forest, it won't bother to attack or chase the other cardinal away.
Explain how the example in the lecture illustrates the concept of the deer enemy effect.
Begin to prepare your response after the beep. Begin speaking after the beep.
The professor talks about the kinds of birds as an example to explain how the same species in the neighborhood occur the deer enemy effect. Firstly, the professor points that the kinds of birds called cardinal, and they has a unique call and a song, and when they hear the unfamiliar song, they would be aggressive and attack some other animals, and because of the sheer enemy effects, they won't bother the other cardinal's territory, and then they find they will.
Number 4. In this question, you will listen to